So here we have 139 Ninth Avenue Railroad crossing in Tampa, Florida. Here's a no trespassing sign. Here we have the first signal, which has a Western Cone's base. Surprisingly, the dot tag is so low mounted, and it's an SCO dot tag. And there's the emergency information. The lights are Western Cone Haze 12 by 24 inch lights with Western Cone Haze second generation LEDs mounted on a WRS junction box crossbuck, and the bell is a GS Type 2 electronic bell. That's looking south, north, and there's the relay case. I'm gonna pause quickly. So here we have the other side, which is the cantilever. Oh, hey there. How are you doing? So here we have a Modern Industries cantilever. An SCO lock. And there's the emergency information. And for some reason, I don't know why, that's facing the road. And here we have the lights, which are Modern Industries 24-inch incandescent lights. There's the Modern Industries logo. I think I could get a better picture. I think it's just Modern Industries logo. The overhead lights are Modern Industries 12 by 24-inch lights that are incandescent. And then we have the bell, which is the Modern Industries mechanical bell. So yeah. And also the grade is rubber. So yeah, that's this crossing. Over and out.